Which of the following is the brain of the computer? Monitor, CPU, keyboard, RAM. Answer: CPU. Which is an input device? Which one is an input device? Printer, scanner, monitor, speaker. Answer: scanner. What does WWW stands for? Wave Worldwide, World Wide Web, World Width Web, Wide World Web. Answer: World Wide Web. Which is not an operating system? Which is not an operating system? Windows, Linux, Oracle, DOS. Answer: Oracle. Which is which memory is known as volatile? ROM, flash, RAM, hard disk. Answer: RAM. Full form of CPU: Central Processing Unit, Central Processing Unit, Central Programming Unit, Control Processing Unit. Answer: Central Processing Unit. Which language is used in web development? HTML, C++, Java, Python. Answer: HTML. What types of device is a joystick? What types of device is a joystick? Output, input, storage, processing. Answer: input. Which of the following stores data permanently? Which of the following stores data permanently? RAM, ROM, hard disk, cache. Answer: hard disk. Which company developed the Windows OS? Apple, Google, IBM, Microsoft. Answer: Microsoft. The physical part of a computer are called software, hardware, data, program. Answer: hardware. Which one is an open source operating system? Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android. Answer: Linux. Which part of the computer is used for viewing data? CPU, monitor, RAM, mouse. Answer: monitor. Which is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Bit, byte, kilobyte, megabyte. Answer: bit. What is the full form of URL? Uniform Resource Locator, Uniform Resource Link, Unique Reference Link, Universal Resource Locator. Answer: Uniform Resource Locator. Which one is not a programming language? Python, Java, C++, MS Word. Answer: MS Word. What is the function of the mouse? Processing, storage, pointing, display. Answer: pointing device. What does ALU stand for? Arithmetic Logic Unit, Algorithm Logic Unit, Application Logic Unit, Array Logic Unit. Answer: Arithmetic Logic Unit. Which one is a search engine? Google, Facebook, Gmail, YouTube. Answer: Google. Which part of the CPU performs calculation? RAM, ALU, control unit, ROM. Answer: ALU. ALU का मतलब होता है अरिथमेटिक लॉजिक यूनिट. Which is not a storage device? CD, pen drive, RAM, printer. Answer, printer. Which of the following is a web browser? Windows, MS Word, Chrome, Excel. Answer, Chrome. In which generation were microprocessor introduced? First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation. Answer, fourth generation. Which is the full form of HTTP? Hyper Text Transfer Protocol, Hyperthermal Transfer Protocol, High Text Transfer Protocol, Hypertype Transfer Protocol. Answer, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Which company developed Android? Apple, Microsoft, Google, IBM. Answer, Google. Which of the following is not a web browser? Mozilla, Opera, Bing, Safari. Answer, Bing. Which device is used to print document? Monitor, scanner, printer, speaker. Answer, printer. What is software? Physical parts, programs and applications, input devices, output devices. Answer, programs and applications. Which shortcut key is used to copy? Control plus C, Control plus V, Control plus X, Control plus A. Answer, Control plus C. What is the full form of PDF? What is the full form of PDF? Printable document format, portable document format, personal document file, public document format. Answer, portable document format. Which of the following is used to make presentation? MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Paint. Answer, MS PowerPoint. Which key is used to delete left of the cursor? Delete, end, backspace, enter. Answer, backspace. Excel is used for drawing, typing letter, calculations, presentations. Answer, calculations. Which of these is not an output device? Keyboard, scanner, mouse, projector. Answer, projector. Which company developed the iPhone? Samsung, Apple, Google, Microsoft. Answer, Apple. What is the use of a modem? Printing, internet connectivity, displaying data, calculations. Answer, internet connectivity. What is the full form of USB? Universal Serial Board, Universal Serial Bus, Unix Serial Bus, Unified System Board. Answer, Universal Serial Bus. What does GUI stand for? Graphical User Interface, General User Internet, Graphical Unified Interface, Global User Interface. Answer, Graphical User Interface. Which is used to access the internet? Paint, MS Word, browser, PowerPoint. Answer, browser. Which of the following is a social media platform? Twitter, Chrome, Yahoo, Excel. Answer, Twitter. What is the full form of IP? Internet Protocol, Internal Protocol, Internet Provider, Internet Process. Answer, Internet Protocol. Which among the following is not a type of computer? Micro, mini, macro, super. Answer, macro. Which of these store the operating system? RAM, hard disk, CPU, ROM. Answer, hard disk. Which is not an output device? Monitor, printer, speaker, mouse. Answer mouse. Which device converts digital signals to analog? Router, modem, switch, USB. Answer modem. What is phishing? Stealing password online, playing games, writing programs, compressing files. Answer stealing passwords online. Which shortcut is used to paste? Control plus C, Control plus X, Control plus V, Control plus Z. Answer Control plus B. Which part of the computer performs logic operations? ALU, CPU, CU, RAMs, BIOS. Answer ALU means arithmetic logic unit. Which of the following is not an example of a programming language? Python, Java, C++, Excel. Answer Excel. Which type of which type of file is created in MS Word?